Let's show you an example now. In Affinity Photo 2, we'll go to filters, and here just underneath clarity, you go to frequency separation, and here's your example here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to exaggerate and just increase the radius so you can see a bit more that you've got majority of the detail on the low frequency, as you can see on this side, right? Very blurry. And then you've got the high frequency. So with your high frequency, you have your detail, most of the detail. Zoom in a bit more, you can see that. And with the low frequency, you can see it's just the color and the tones, okay? And this is a brilliant way, one of the fundamental ways I retouch on the iPad Pro using Affinity Photo. So we're going to change this radius down to, I say, around to 2. And so when we zoom in, again, you've got that beautiful detail, and then you've got the color. Yeah. And that's what we're separating here. So when we're done, we press apply. And when we look at our layers, and I'll explain the 2 layers, you've got your high frequency and you've got your low frequency. So your high frequency and you've got your low frequency. Now, when you set up your frequency separation in a program like Affinity Photo 2, what we're using here on the iPad Pro, or in Photoshop, you end up with 2 main working layers, as I was saying here. You got high frequency, low frequency.